About to head to Kwame Falls.
This is the third room.
That's Steffi. Yes, the room is dark, but outside is not. It is a beautiful day.
Let me see my
Let's have a good time. Huh?
All the riches bill I could have bought me a house, no joke. Feel like I'm the greatest rapper, came out the south. Who wants smoke? She keep trying to fuck, I told her top me for now. Oh God, she
got ass shots, I told her work on her mouth straight up. Everybody talking this clean talk, nigga, we shoot shit up, we don't back the beach. Call my nigga, you ain't get no money, we don't give a fuck about your talent snitch. Came from the bottom one time, me and I was just sipping on talent snitch. Both of you rappers, I'm cool like gang. I split the ring with my chopper cause it stay with me. You can drop like a shot of liquor, ain't no chasing me. Hit the winner, white flag.
Dude,
and this is where I twerk.
this is, huh?
Kidding.
Oh, you're going to the twerking?
Party.
Look how I'm blending.
Yeah.
The lizard. Just blending on the vine. Gone still.
The first photo spot, guys.
Yeah, man.
The light is perfect.
Tell them.
You know you can get down to there and
Oh.
there's a path.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how they do it.
Yeah,
But it might be from the property though.
remember where we saw them, they could drive down? That must be it. Cause that's like a nice like a private beach, yeah?
Yeah. And
Them
then
probably
the
charge
spot.
for it still.
I don't know. We'll see.
But see the path right there?
Yeah, see, so just walk over.
Riverbed. So when rain a fall, you can't cross it. So. But it look like a nice rock climbing section still.
I know. I was looking at it like if we could climb that. I'm sure you can climb down and climb back up. But it's not gonna rain.
Yeah, that's not today.
Yeah, not today. We're not.
Okay. I'm going to sing something and you're going to repeat every word after me. So we're going to start off. I'm going to say something and you guys are going to follow it. Alright? Fee! Alright, start again. Ready? Fee! Fee, fi! Fee, fi, fo! Fista! Kumbalala, 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 fista! Oh no, no, not the fista. Eeny, meeny, dicey, meeny, ooh la la, wally, meeny. It really happened, bottom, bodo, woodoo, bottom. Yeah, I see reflect. Yeah, man, you're good, man. Just kind of disappointing. Who assuming that?
Nobody.
But fortunately, there's a beach that's nearby, so you know. And you can climb that if you want. Alright, heads up. When you're going out here, there might be a current pulling that way. So, like if you want to swim, swim up this side. Yeah. That's the only thing I have to say. Lifeguard switch. Yeah. Sexiness.
Just need.
I wonder if you come off nothing here. Watch your head. Yeah, man.
Wait. We just need a few. Just. One. Huh? Yes, and we're really thirsty, so we're taking anything we can. We just want a sip to reach back. That's all I want. Oi, alright, Brandon, you nearly threw that one on. Honestly, it's a little bit something there, but trust me.
Alright, we'll go back for more if, knowing that them have water in enough.
Doing what it needs to do. Oh, God, I can't. Thank you.
Yeah, man. All in a day. Wait for trekking. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that is the end of this episode. That was Kwame Falls. As much as Kwame wasn't looking the way it should or usually does. And yeah. This is, we're at the beach house now, just chilling. Domino's a lick. And like, juice a beat. Who I shall who?